Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 10 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 8 plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 8 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches, multiple of 8, 2 times 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over, SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, knit together from back loop, knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, knit together, yarn over, SSK, knit 2. This is 8 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6, 7. Here we decrease a stitch which we increase in next rows. So one more time, knit 2, 1, 2, knit together, yarn over, SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 2, 1, 2. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit all these all stitches till the end of row. All edge from wrong side. Third row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 1. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 1, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit 1, knit together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit 1. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is completed. Now fourth row wrong side, pull these all stitches. All edge from wrong side. Fifth row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, SSK, slip and knit from back loop. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, SSK. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, SSK, slip and knit from back loop, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is complete. Now sixth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches. ball edge from wrong side, 7 row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 4, 1 2 3 4. Now here we have 5 loops, 1 2 3 4 5. Now we make 5 stitches from 5 loop. First we insert this needle from first loop and make first stitch 1. Now from second, 2, from third, 3, fourth, and from fifth, 5. Here we have 5 stitches from 5 holes and knit 3, 1 2 3. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, make 5 loops, 2 4 5, knit 3 2 3. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, knit 4, 1 2 3 4. Now we make 5 loops from these 5 holes. From first, 1, second, 2, from third, 3, fourth, now from fifth, 5. Knit 3, 1 2 3. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. 7 row is completed. Now 8 row wrong side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 3, 1 2 3. Now purl 5 together, take these 5 stitches together and purl 5 together, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. That's our repeat from here to here, purl 3, purl 5 together, purl 4. Again here we have 8 stitches, 2 4 6 8. Again we repeat this pattern how much has one more time, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 5 together, purl 4, 1 2 3 4. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern and last edge, purl edge from wrong side. 9th row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. 9th row is completed. Now 10th row wrong side. Again purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. 10 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 10 rows, and after repetition of 10 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of, and if you like my videos then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.